The Sony Xperia 1.6 is here, but is it worth? Let's break it down fast. Sony keeps its tall 21:9 design with a 6.5-inch 4K 120Hz OLED screen, perfect for movies. IP68 rating, headphone jack, and micro SD slot? Yes, but 30-watt charging feels slow in 2025. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 crushes games like Genshin Impact, and the cooling system avoids throttling. But Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is just as fast with better software support. The 48-megapixel wide camera, 12-megapixel telephoto camera, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera takes pro-level photos, especially in low light. Autofocus beats most phones, and 4K 120 FPS video is insane. But Pixel 8 Pro still wins for point-and-shoot ease. 5,000 mAh battery lasts all day, but slow charging hurts. Near-stock Android 14 is clean, and Sony's Pro apps are great, if you'll use them. Buy this if you need a headphone jack, micro SD slot, or Sony's cameras. For everyone else? Galaxy S24 Ultra or iPhone 15 Pro are safer picks. Agree? Comment below. Hit the like if this helped, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll see you next time.